ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. ಆ ಥರ ಚೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಬೈ 2 ಆಪ್ಷನ್. Pick any 2 for 1000. Hi all, good noon. This is Priya from Vastrabhanna, Bangalore. So hope you're all doing good. On today's live show, we are coming up with exclusive jewelry collection. It's on super duper discounts for today's live show. Those who want to place an order, kindly take screenshot and you can text us on WhatsApp. We do have a store located at Banshankari, 3rd Stage, Bangalore. Those who are close by, kindly visit our store. So on today's live show, we are coming up with exclusive jewelry collection which is on super duper sale. So don't miss this actually. So I'll just wait for few friends to join. So we don't have COD option, friends. Kindly don't ask for COD. Those who want to place an order, kindly take screenshot and you can text us on WhatsApp. All these comes with warranty. Actually, some jewelry comes with 6 months warranty, some jewelry comes with 3 years warranty. So each and everything I will explain you. All these are gold plated jewelry collections for today's live show. We have bangles, we have necklace, we have aras. All these are in super duper discounts for today's live show. Just 2 minutes, I'll wait for few friends to join and let me start the show. Hi Sudha ma'am, good noon. Welcome to Vastrabhanna. Hi Pinky ma'am, good noon. So those who want to place an order, kindly take screenshot and you can text us on WhatsApp. We do have a store located at Banshankari, 3rd Stage, Bangalore. Those who are close by, kindly visit our store. Hi sir, good noon. Idu live show idu ಮಾಡಿ group go forward ಮಾಡಿ. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಗೂ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು 2 ಮಾತ್ರ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಅದು. So on today's live show, I'll just start with traditional Lakshmi one. So this is a traditional Lakshmi jewelry. You can see actually all these are antique collections. This is a short necklace. The actual cost is 1650. On discount, we are giving this for 1200. Those who want to place an order, kindly take screenshot and you can text me on WhatsApp. Hi Nandini. Welcome to Vastrabhanna. See, this is how the looks. It's completely embossed with the Lakshmi. Comes with the ruby stones. All these are. Hi Chaitra ma'am, good noon. This is how the jewelry looks. You can check it out. It is embossed with Lakshmi. This is how it looks. All these are very pretty. Hi Nangai Subramaniam, good noon. All these are antique collections. So this is actual cost is 1650. After discount, we are giving this for 1250. This is only for today's live show. Those who want to place an order, kindly take screenshot and you can text me on WhatsApp. So it's only for today, so don't miss this offer. This is how the earring looks. This is how the earring looks. See, this has a small drops. This has also got Lakshmi on it. Hope you can see it properly. All these are traditional antique collections. So this is how this necklace looks. It's an antique piece. So 1250 after discount. Those who want to place an order, kindly take screenshot and you can text me on WhatsApp. This is how the jewelry looks. Hope you all able to see it properly. If not, kindly comment in the comment box. All these comes with 3 years warranty. Only hot water and perfume you should not use on top of it. So next time moving on to the other one. This is a traditional, it's a short necklace. Comes with the ruby beads and this has got the floral motifs on the drops. This is how the necklace looks. All these are beautiful collections. Comes with pearl. This is how the necklace looks. All these are short necklace. So actual cost is 1950. After discount, you will get it for 1500. Actual cost is 1950. After discount you will get it for 1500. This is how the necklace looks. All these are comes with warranty. You can check it. This is how the necklace looks. And I'll show you the earring how it looks. Idu price so hange mention ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದು 1500 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ. ಇದು 1950 ಇದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಹಂಗೆ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡಿ. After discount 1500 ಅಂತ. This is how my earring looks. See, all these are very pretty and it's nice. So price rate 1500 only. Actual cost is 1950. You can check it out. This is how the necklace looks. All these are short necklace. All these are short necklace. Price rate 1500. All these are short necklace. Price rate 1500. And yeah. So this is a one more choker kind. This has a Venkatesha Nama Chakra, Sanku Chakra pattern. This has a choker one, and this comes with the traditional jhumka. This has a ruby and green stones. See, this is how the jhumka looks. So this is priced at 1750. Actual cost is 2100. After discount you will get it for 1750. All these are very ethnic and lovely to wear. I'll show you how it looks. This is how the necklace looks and this is the jhumka. So priced at 1750 after discount. All these are antique collections with 1750 half. All these are antique collections, so don't miss this. We are giving super duper discounts for today's live show. And next, this is also antique piece. The entire necklace has got a small Lakshmi motifs. You can see, yeah, Lakshmi Ganesha, Lakshmi Ganesha. Hi Madhushri ma'am, good noon. Lakshmi Ganesha on it. So one with the Lakshmi and other one is with Ganesha. So this is priced at 2300 actual cost. After discount you will get it for 1800. 2300 actual cost. After discount you will get it for 1800. All these are for only today's live show. This has a mango motifs at the top, and this is how the Lakshmi and Ganesha looks. See, this is a very short necklace. All these are very cute ones, and this comes with the earring. This has a Lakshmi on it. On the earrings, it has got Lakshmi. This is both the earrings. You can check it out. So priced at 1800. 1800. So next, this is a 2-layer. Those who want to place an order, kindly take screenshot and you can text us on WhatsApp. All this I am telling you the actual cost and discount cost as well. So this is a 2-layer necklace. You can check it out. Pavitra ma'am, it's not clear. You can check. Adaralli nodi. Adu nodde nanu. Clear agidiya? Okay. This is a 2-layer necklace. You can check it out. One with the ruby and white stones. I'll show you how it looks. This is how the necklace looks. See, yeah. One with the ruby layer. Hi Vani ma'am, good noon. One with the ruby and white stones and other with the mango ones. So actual cost is 1950. After discount you will get it for 1600. After discount you will get it for 1600. Those who want to place an order, kindly take screenshot and you can text me on WhatsApp. All these are antique rich collections. Comes with 3 years warranty. If it's 6 months warranty, I'll mention it's only 6 months. If it's 3 years warranty, I'll mention you 3 years. So it does not, you should not use hot water and perfume on top of it. This has a mango pattern. Hope it's clear now. This has got mango pattern. And the one side you have a ruby and white stones. On the other layer you have got mango pattern. This is priced at 1600 after discount. This is how the earring comes. This is how the earring comes. Ma'am, if I show all the ones, all the necklace, it will be a delay ma'am for you, so that's why. Whichever you want, you let me know. I'll wear and show you. This is how the earring looks. All these comes with 3 years warranty. Those who want to place an order, kindly take screenshot and you can text me on WhatsApp. Next, this is a This is a little heavy, quite heavy necklace. It has got ruby, red and green stones. All this comes with a rich this is how the necklace looks. See, you can check it out. All these are short necklace ones. So actual cost is 3,200. After discount, you will get it for 2,500. After discount, you will get it for... Ma'am, I have mentioned my WhatsApp number on the description box. You can connect with us on WhatsApp. I'll just text you here. This is my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number, ma'am. ಇದು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೋನಿಂದ
ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದು ಪಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 1 second ma'am. I'll just text my WhatsApp number. ಇದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. This is my WhatsApp number, ma'am. I'll just texting out 8073554520. 1 second, ma'am. ಇದು ಪಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಅದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. So this is the necklace. So its actual cost is 3,200. After discount, you'll get it for 2,500. 1 second, ma'am. ಮಾಡಿದೆ. So actual cost is 2,500. Those who want to place an order, kindly take screenshot and you can text me on WhatsApp. This is how the earring looks. See, this is how the earring looks. All these are very pretty collections. So 2,500 after discount. 2,500 after discount. We don't have COD option. You can trust us. Whatever we are showing, we are going to send you that only. And this is really a good heavy necklace, but it looks heavy, but it's not heavy actually. See, all these are traditional ones. All these are traditional floral patterns. It has got pearls on all the sides. It has a ruby stones. So actual cost is 2,300. After discount, you get it for 1,800. Actual cost is 2,300. After discount, you get it for 1,800. This is how the earring looks. I'll show you. You can check here. This is how the earring looks. So priced at 1,800 after discount. Those who want to place an order, kindly take screenshot and you can text me. We don't have COD option. Kindly don't ask for COD. All these are only for today's live show. And next, this comes with the ruby and the green stones. Actual cost is 1,250. After discount, you'll get it for 900. Actual cost is 1,250. We'll get it for 900. All these are very good ones. So don't miss this. 900. So next, this is a quite rich. You can see with the back black color background. See, all these are very rich. This has got Lakshmi Kasu pattern. This has got Lakshmi Kasu pattern. Hope you all able to see it properly. Light change ಮಾಡಿ ಕಲರು ನೋಡೋಣ. ತುಂಬಾ ಗ್ಲಾರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So this has got a traditional Lakshmi Kasu pattern. This is how the necklace looks. This is how the necklace looks. So all these are priced at 2,350. After discount, you will get it for 1,850. See at the back, it's a closing pattern. All these are very rich collection. This is how the necklace looks. You can check it out. All these are short necklace. So this is the earring for this one. This is the earring for this necklace. So priced at 1,850. After discount, you get it for 1,850. This is how the necklace looks. This has got Lakshmi on the Kasu, and here also it has got Lakshmi. Comes with ruby and white stones. So next, I am moving on to the other design. Yeah, this is also super one. This has also got Lakshmi on it. This has also got Lakshmi on it. I'll show you how it looks. All these are very rich collections. All these are very rich collections. So this is priced at 2,800. After discount you will get it for 2,200. After discount you will get it for 2,200. This is how the necklace looks. This is how the earring. This is how the earring looks. This has also got Lakshmi on it. See, you can check it out. This has also got Lakshmi on it. So priced at 2,200 after discount. All these are rich traditional collections. Ella etbitra. Ella kadi. Illa. Namu next ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್. Okay. Next we have this one. This comes with, hope you are able to see it properly. This has got floral patterns and comes with ruby and red stones. All these are antique collections. Comes with 3 years warranty. This is how the necklace looks and this is the earring. This has got traditional jhumka. So priced at 1,800 after discount. Priced at 1,800 after discount. This is how the necklace looks. This is the earring. So priced at 1,800 after discount. All this comes with 3 years warranty. You should not use hot water and perfume on top of this. Next, this is also a traditional. ಇದು ಒಂದು ನೆಕ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ನೆಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. This is how the necklace looks. See, this has got Lakshmi with pearls. On the sides you have mango work. White, I'll show you. Earrings. ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ. See, this is a really traditional one. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. All these are priced at, this is priced at 2,800. After discount, get it for 2,200. Comes with 3 years warranty. This is how the earring looks. This is how the earring looks. So this earring has also got Lakshmi on it. So priced at 2,300 after discount. This is only for today's live show. And next. Thank you, Lakshmi ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you for your valuable comments. So this is the traditional mango pattern, Kasu pattern. Sorry, my traditional mango one comes with the ruby red and green stones. Ruby red and green stones. So this is also priced at 1,950. After discount, you will get it for 1,200. After discount, you will get it for 1,200. This is how the necklace looks. You can check it out. This is how the necklace looks. You can check it out. So priced at 1,200. And this is the earring. This is the earring for this. All these are very pretty, lovely collections. So don't miss this. 1,200. Next. This is really looks like a gold. You can check it out. This is really looks like a gold. Thank you, Bhuvan ma'am. Thank you. This has got a peacock pattern. All these are handwork. You can check it out. This really looks like a gold. So actual cost is 1,900. After discount, you will get it for 1,600. This is how the earring looks. You can check it out. The pattern is really good. This is how the earring looks. So after discount, you will get it for 1,600. After discount, you will get it for 1,600. All these are antique rich collections. 1,600. Check this. This is also. This is also too good. All these are in reasonable price. You can check it out. This has a Kundan stones. This has got Kundan stones. Actual cost is 1800. After discount, you'll get it for 1500. All these are for only for today's live show. You can check it out. 1500 plus shipping charges. Those who want to place an order, kindly take screenshot and you can text me on WhatsApp. 1500 everybody. See, this is also a very good one. This has also got traditional Lakshmi Kasu pattern. Traditional Lakshmi Kasu pattern. See, comes with the floral and ruby stones. So actual cost is 1500. After discount, you will get it for 1200. After discount, you will get it for 1200. Those who want to place an order, kindly take screenshot and you can text me on WhatsApp. Kindly take screenshot and you can text me on WhatsApp. See, this is the earring for that particular jewelry. This is how the necklace looks. You can check here. All these are short necklace ones. 1200 again. Next, check this. All these are short necklace ones. This is how the necklace looks. Yeah. All this comes with the pearl. And this has got... This is the earring for this particular jewelry. Actual cost is 1950. After discount 1650. Actual cost is 1950. After discount 1650. All this comes with 3 years warranty. So don't miss this. All this comes with 3 years warranty. Don't miss this. 1650. Sure. And see, this is the choker. This is the choker, friends. See, this is how the choker looks. And this is the earring. This comes with the red, green and zircon stones, white zircon stones. This is how the earring looks. Actual cost is 1900. After discount 1600. Actual cost is 1900. After discount 1600. So don't miss this. All these comes with the warranty. This is how the necklace choker looks. See, this is how the choker looks. Yes, ma'am. All these are only today's offer. Only today's offer. You can check it out. This is how the choker looks. So priced at 1900. After discount, get it for 1600. Only on choker is price is. See, this is one more. It's a very small choker. It's a very small and cute one. This is after discount. You will get it for 1200. After discount, you will get this choker for 1200. You have to keep it on the same box which we are providing. So we will provide with the box with the cotton actually. So on top of it, we will keep the jewelry. You have to follow the same procedure. You have to follow the same procedure. Hot water and perfume you should not use. So with 3 years warranty, all these gives it 1200. With 3 years warranty we are providing. This is how the choker looks. 1200. Illide ಒಂದು stone choker. Note ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ next ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. See, this is a really pretty one. 1200 after discount. This is really a pretty one. You can check it out. All this gives you a very rich look. All this gives you a very rich look. So this is 2250. This has got completely stones over it. You can see. This has got completely stones over it. So priced at 2250. After discount it's 1800. After discount it's 1800. This is how the earring looks. It's a cute jhumka. This comes with cute jhumka. So 1800. Idu mention madbadi illide tag. Next. Ashina choker illide alva. Idu ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Thank you, Chaitra ma'am. Thank you so much. And this is one more choker. This is quite heavy. It looks heavy, but it's not like that. So all this gives you a very traditional look. See, this is how the choker looks. After discount, you'll get it for 1200. I'll show you the earring. Earring ediko illidu. Adu earrings illa. Earrings ilva. Sorry, this is without earrings. So priced at 1200. So priced at 1200. Actual cost is 1500. Next, this is also one 1200, 1200. This one also a very cute one. See, all these are traditional ones. Actual cost is 1950, after discount 1600. So this is how the earring looks. Sorry, necklace looks. Comes with the earring. This is how the earring looks. So priced at 1600. Yeah, sorry, priced at 1600. All these are choker ones, and this is really a quite heavy choker. You can check it out. This is a quite heavy choker. Thank you, Lakshmi ma'am. Thank you so much. This is really a quite heavy choker. This has got traditional Lakshmi. This is really a good one. Lakshmi. This one. Okay. So this is actual cost is 2750. After discount, you'll get it for 2200. After discount, get it for 2200. See, this is how the jhumka looks. See, this is really pretty. Actual cost is 2750. You can check it out. And this is how the choker looks. 2200. 2200 only. And this is a completely a ruby one. Completely a ruby with green stones. And this is priced at 1950. After discount, you will get it for 1600. See, this is really a very cute. 1950. After discount, you will get it for 1600. I'll show you the earring also. This is how the necklace looks. This is the earring. See, 1600 only for today's live show. This completely, it's a ruby stones. Comes with green emerald stones. All these are semi-precious ones, not precious ones actually. Comes with a pearl. This is how the necklace looks. Priced at 1600. Actual cost is 1950. After discount, it's 1600. So we have Kundan collections. This is a Kundan necklace. See, this has a floral pattern on it. The entire necklace has got Kundan stones. See, actual cost is 1750. After discount, get it for 1450. Actual cost is 1750. After discount, you'll get it for 1450. And sorry, this is how the earring looks. See, all these are very cute and lightweight earrings. It's not heavy. So 1450 after discount. And see, this is the traditional. This is actually copper finish. This actually a copper finish. So priced at 850 after discount. This is actually a copper finish. You can check it out. Priced at 850 after discount. All these are 6 months warranty. All these are 6 months warranty. This is 850. And this is how the earring looks. This is how the earring looks. See, 850 after discount. This is the copper finish. It's not antique finish. It's a copper finish. 850. And this is a small gold kasu necklace. This is a small traditional. This is a completely traditional one. So this is priced at 400. This is the earring. This is the earring. So priced at 400. This is how the necklace looks. Priced at 400. All these are very pretty ones. 400. These are the earring, only necklace. See, this is also Kundan one. Yeah, this is also Kundan necklace. All these are very cute ones. So actual cost is 850. After discount, you will get it for 650. Actual cost is 850. After discount, you will get it for 650. This doesn't have earring. This does not comes with the earring. 650. And I'll show you, all these are very good ones. Yeah. This is a 3-layer gold finish necklace. This is a 3-layer gold finish necklace. This is a 3-layer gold finish necklace. Comes with the jhumki pattern. This is how the necklace looks. This is a 3-layer gold finish necklace. Comes with the jhumki pattern. See, this is really cute. So this is priced at 950. This is priced at 950. Those who want to place an order, kindly take screenshot and you can text me on WhatsApp. This is priced at 950 after discount. The 950 bardabadi. We have one more design on the same pattern. This comes with the balls. The previous one comes with the jhumki pattern, and this comes with the balls. And but this is priced at 1200. This has got small from big balls. This is how the necklace looks. So priced at 1200. Those who want to place an order, kindly take screenshot and you can text me on WhatsApp. And we have one more on the same design. This is simple one. This is completely a simple pattern. I'll show you. Yeah. This is how the necklace looks. Video not clear, ma'am. I'll check it out. You can see now. Video matra check ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ನನ್ನ ಫೋನ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫೋನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. This is actually a 3-layer. It's a 5-layer. It's not 3-layer. It's a 5-layer one. This is actual cost is 850. After discount, you'll get it for 650. Actual cost is 850. After discount, you'll get it for 650. 1 second, ma'am. I'll check whether my video is clear or not. 650, ma'am. Those who want to place an order, kindly take screenshot and you can text me on WhatsApp, ma'am. We don't have COD option. Kindly don't ask for COD. ಇದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೋಡಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ ಶಾರ್ಟು ಶ್ಯೂರಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಇದು ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. And next we have full ruby necklace. It's a full ruby necklace. And this is how the earring looks. This is a full ruby necklace. You can check it out. So after discount, you will get it for 1700. After discount, you will get it for 1700. It's entirely comes with the ruby and floral pattern. So 1700. Correct ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Hi Soumya ma'am, good note. I just yeah. This is how the necklace looks. 1700. 1700 ಬರ್ದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. And this is also a completely antique. It looks like a gold actually. You can see the finish. It really looks like a gold. This is how the necklace looks. See, all these are beautiful collections. Actual cost is 2100. After discount is 1650. Actual cost is 2100. After discount is 1650. And I'll show you the earring. ಒಂದೇ earring ಇದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. This is how the earring looks. Hi Mauna ma'am. Hi Nagini ma'am. Good noon. Hi Soumya ma'am. This is how the necklace looks. This is how the earring. So actual cost is 2100. After discount 1650. Thank you ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is actually a matte finish one. This is actually a matte finish one. This is how the necklace looks. It's a matte finish one. Comes with a big earring, Lakshmi earring. And this is priced at 1600. This is priced at 1600. You can see it has a small balls at the side. One Lakshmi motifs and comes with a Chandbali dollar pendant. Priced at 1600 after discount. adu kodi. See, this is a crystals, and this has got a pendant like Lakshmi. This has a crystals on it, and these gold balls are gold plated ones. So actual cost is 1650. After discount you get it for 1400. Actual cost is 1650. This does not comes with the earring. This does not comes with the earring. And this is the only a ball chain. This is only a ball chain.
1650 after discount.
1200. This is a ball chain, and this is priced at 1100. After discount you will get it for 850. This is a ball chain, you can check it out. After discount get it for 850. And this is a 24 inches chain with pendant. This is a 24 inches chain with pendant, and this is how the earring looks. This is a traditional jhumka earring. This is a traditional jhumka earring. After discount you will get it for 1350. After discount you will get it for 1350. This is how the chain looks. Chain with pendant. After discount 1350 idella beda. After discount you will get it for 1350. And this is a ruby necklace. This is priced at 1600. The previous one is completely red, and this comes with red with green. 1600. Those who want to place an order, kindly take screenshot and you can text me on WhatsApp. And this is a very cute one. This is only a chain with simple pendant. Warranty comes with 3 years, ma'am. Each and every necklace I am saying mentioning the price. For each and every piece I am mentioning the price. So this is how the chain looks. It's a kind of choker cum necklace. You can wear it because this has got a long extension. You can check it on both the sides. This has got long extension. And cost is actually 750. After discount you will get it for 600. After discount you will get it for 600. This is how the chain with pendant looks. 600 after discount. 600 bardivide. And this is also a very rich one. All these are very rich. You can check it out. This has a Chandbali pendant. Comes with a small Chandbali earring. Actual cost is 2100. After discount 1750. Warranty for 3 years. All these are warranty for 3 years. Thank you, Nagini ma'am. Thank you so much. All these are warranty for 3 years. And next, this is also a very good one. Actual cost is 2650. After discount you will get it for 2100. This is how the necklace looks. All these are antique rich collections. And this is a quite big earring. It looks heavy, but if you wear it, it looks very light. 2100. We have lots of collections on necklace and haras. See, this is a 3-layer, comes with the ruby beads. This is a 3-layer, comes with the ruby beads. Actual cost is 2500. This is a pure pearls. This is made of pure pearls. This is made of pure pearls. And this is a precious beads. And priced at 2000 after discount. Priced at 2000 after discount. On the same, like we have one more also. This is also same 750. And this is also a beautiful one. The entire necklace has got floral pattern. See, this is a choker kind. This also 3 years warranty. All this 3 years warranty. Whichever is 6 months, I'll just let you know. That is only 6 months warranty. All these are antique rich collection. This has a floral pattern. You can check it out. You can check it out. See, this is actually actual cost is 1550. After discount, you get it for 1200. 1550 after discount, you will get it for 1200. This is how the choker looks. And this comes with 3-layer earring. See, this is a 3-layer earring. So priced at 1200. ಇದು ಬೇಡ, ಇದು antique ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಡಿ. This is also same. This is the antique rich collections. Comes with chain with pendant. 1200. Comes with chain with pendant. This is priced at 2100. This is a really antique rich collections. You can see. Actual cost is 2100. After discount 1750. Same 3 years warranty. Same 3 years warranty. Beda. This is completely a gold finish. After discount get it for 1000. After discount will get it for 1000. This does not comes with the earring. It's only chain. The earring illa na? Okay, illa idakku earring illa. This is a traditional antique necklace. This has got a kasu pattern. So actual cost is 2500. After discount you'll get it for 2000. See, all these are quite rich collection. If you see on live you will come to know actually. All these are really a quite rich collection. The real, it looks like a real gold. You can see a finish at the back. It looks like a real gold. So priced at 2000. It's an antique finish priced at 2000. Okay, no? No. ಇದು ತೋರ್ಸಾ ಇತ್ತು ಸೇಮ್. Sorry. Yeah. We have this. So actual cost is 1900. After discount you'll get it for 1600. All these are necklace pattern. We have aras also. I'll just finish it off soon. So priced at 1600. This comes with the earring. This is how the earring looks. The earring this is how the earring looks. See. So priced at 1600 after discount. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ 1600 ಅಂತ ಬರೀ. All these are very rich. ಇದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ಅಶೋಕರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಸ್ಟೋನ್. See, this is also a very rich one. This has got 3-layer. This has got 3-layer stones. See, 3-layer ones. This is really a pretty one. Actual cost is 1550. After discount you'll get it for 1250. You can check it out. Comes with 3 years warranty. This is how the necklace looks. Comes with 3 years warranty. Those who are doing the payment first will get the. We have only single piece on each design. We have only single piece on each design. This is 1250 after discount. This is 1250 after discount. 1250. ಬರೆದುಬಿಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ. This is a star floral pattern. You can check it out. This is completely a zircon stones. This is completely a zircon stones. This is how the earring looks. This has a peacock pattern. So priced at 1500 after discount. Priced at 1500 after discount. This has completely a zircon stones. Priced at 1500. Aunty na ಊಟ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಊಟ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಂಟಿ. And this is the last piece in short necklace. Next we are coming up with aras and combo sets. This is also priced at 1350 after discount. 1350 after discount. This is how the earring looks. It's a small mango earring. See, all these are short necklace ones. 1350 mention ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. All these are short necklace ones. Next I am moving on to the long aras. Sorry, only one we have left it out. This is also a short necklace. So this is after discount you'll get it for 1800. This is also a short necklace. After discount you'll get it for 1800. Hi Srimati Prakash ma'am, good noon. So next I'm moving on to haras. This is the first hara. This is the entirely, this has got a ruby zircon stones, comes with the emerald pattern. This is a very rich earring, you can check it out. This is a 30 inches length hara. It comes with 28 to 30 inches length. This is how the necklace looks. Hara looks. So this is 3,200. After discount, you will get it for 2,600. So all these are only for today's live show. 2,600 after discount. All these are rich, heavy necklace, quite heavy necklace. You can check it out, all this. This is also completely antique collection. I'll show you. This is after discount, you'll get it for 2,500. After discount, you'll get it for 2,500. Hi Meena ma'am, good noon. This is the pendant. And this is how the chain looks at the sides. This comes with the ruby and white stones. I'll show you the earring. This is how the earring looks. This is how the earring looks. So this is priced at 2,500. 2,500. This is how the pendant looks. You can check it out. All these are 28 to 30 inches long. This will come up to like this. 28 to 30 inches long. 2,900. This is 2,300.
2,500.
Same. So this one also. This is also quite rich. All this gives you an exact gold look. You can see at the back. This is a back. All these are very good collections. So after discount, you'll get it this for 2,800. Actual cost is 3,500. This comes with purely a zircon stones. You can check this. 3,500. After discount, you get it for 2,800. 2,800. And we have separate this one also. This short and long we have separate ones also. If you want, you can take it as a combo. Adu open ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಆ combo pattern ಎಲ್ಲ open ಮಾಡಿ. We have short and long necklace together. So priced at 2,200. Actual cost is 2,800. We have a short and long hara. After discount, you'll get it for 2,200. It's a short and long necklace. It's a combo pattern. 2,200. Here to save. And this is a completely a rich pearl. This has got pearls. And this is the pendant. And this is after discount, you'll get it for 1,450. After discount, you'll get it for 1,450. This is how the necklace, hara looks. 1,450, and this is the earring for this particular one. This is the earring. 1,450 after discount. And see, and this is a combo set. I'll show you. I really have to. This is a combo set. Short and long necklace. All these are comes with 6 months warranty. I'll show you short and long necklace. All these are comes with 6 months warranty. Whichever I'm showing you now. The previous ones are 3 years warranty. Whichever is I said 2,800. All those. This is the combo set. It's a copper finish. So both together you get it for 1,300. Both together you will get it for 1,300. This is how the earring looks. All these are comes with 6 months warranty. So we are saying 6 months warranty. It depends on your maintenance as well. So it will come around 1 to 2 years also. It does not fade. We did not get any complaint on these patterns also. 1,300. Both together it's 1,300. So this one also. This is also a complete combo set. This one also a complete combo set. See, This is also priced at 1300. This is also priced at 1300. Both together it's 1300. You can see that, you can check the quality. And this is the earring. So both together it's 1300. ಇದು 1300. ಅದು ಹಂಗೆ ಇರಲಿ, ಹಂಗೆ ಇಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬಿಚ್ಕೊಡಿ. This is also same. The short and long necklace. This is also a combo set. You can check it out. This is also priced at this is 1000 actually. Houdalva? This is priced at 1000. Houdu. Both together you will get it.
1200.
After discount you will get it for 1000. Both together. It's a short and long necklace. Comes with the earring. You can see. This is the last jewelry for today's live show in Hara. So this is all comes with 3 years warranty. This has got a mango pattern in the Kerala style. This is, comes with the Kerala style. So price at both together you get it for 2800. Both together you get it for 2800 after discount. Those who want to place an order, kindly take screenshot and you can text us on WhatsApp. So all these are for today's live collection. So all this comes with 3 years warranty and some with 6 months warranty. So whichever 6 months warranty I have told you. So those who want to place an order, kindly take screenshot and you can text us on WhatsApp. So that's all for today's live show, friends. So stay healthy and stay happy. Take care. No ma'am, we don't have bracelets. Tomorrow we will coming up with bangles, ma'am. So that's all for today's live show, friends. Thank you. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.